Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training on our recreational center, and today we've got our first floor plan laid out. So now today I want to focus on this floors. We still got work to do on the second level. Haven't really designed that or got that squared away yet. So what we want to do here, we want to go to level one. We're here in level one, and so excuse me, I'm going to go into my architecture tab here. Now we're going to do this in this model, but we will create a structural model. But for now, we're going to just put the floor in here so I can show you how we do these finishes and everything. So here we're going to architecture, then I'm going to go to floor, and here I'm going to go to architecture, and then I'm going to go pick the 4-inch slab here. Yep. I want to pick that guy, and then I want to use the I like to pick wall, you can there's several different tools you can use here. I like to pick walls. This guy here, which it prompts you to it, and you just go stick that wall, that one, that one. It might get a little interesting around here. Let me see if I can snap it in there. Okay, I think we're good. And then what happens is I'm going to just hit finish here, and there's our floor. So we've got a concrete slab in here now. So if I so let's just go look at our 3D view and see what we got going here now. See, there's our slab that we have in there now. So that's how you do a floor, and then we're going to have an even deeper look at floors here. What I want to show you here, go back into level one here. Let's make this shaded, I guess, yeah. So now from here in the architecture model, we can do a lot of things. We can do our finishes and what have you. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how we can do floor systems. Now say you would take the entire floor in general, and we go to edit type here, and we select this edit button here, and this is basically the structure of the floor. It's a 4-inch thick gray, and then there's a section of it, and we can add finishes on top of that, so we can do some things here now. So I'm just cancel this out, and I want to cancel that. So that's how you would do a floor system. So now what I'm going to do here now is we got our slab here. So say I want to go in this area, for instance. This is probably going to be all tile because it's our training room, or I don't know, we can do whatever you want. So what I would do here, there's several things you can do. You can go and split faces, or well, add different type of materials. I don't know if I got any. Let's see if I can find one and create one right quick. So this one here, I'll just go into the, let me see, where's that tool at? It might be in modify. Well, I can't find it right now, but what I'll do is, let's do the basketball court at least. So if I'm going to put I'm going to do a wood floor here. So what I would do here, I would just go into my just go out here and create another floor system, or just grab this, or I can do a lot of different things here. I can cut it out, but what I want to do, I want to do a floor here. So this is one way you can do this, but I wouldn't recommend it. We're going to go architecture, we're going to go floor, architectural floor, and then we want to raise this guy up off here about an inch. Just give about 1 inch. Yeah, That's 1-inch wood floor here. And then I want to edit this type, but I want to duplicate it. And we're going to call this basketball court. Or I'll just call it court. Heck. We'll click OK here. We'll go OK. So now what I can do here, now I could have edited that floor, which was probably would have been the smartest thing to do. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here, edit this type, and then I want to go here, and this is my floor. So what I want to do, I want to insert another level here, and I'm going to move that guy up. You can see it's going up. Okay, so now I want to select here, and I want to give this some material of, I don't know, let me see, got to be wood. Yeah. I think I got some kind of plywood in or something. Let's just do wood here. Okay, so we'll go with the, I don't know. I would go soft wood because it's got to be soft. They're going to be playing ball on it. And then I want to give it appearance here. I want the lines, okay. Let me see what the graphics here. I want the no pattern. So let's give this a pattern here now. Let's check this, and we want to do let's just go small, horizontal. I don't know, maybe nothing. Let's just do nothing for now. Just okay here. And then I got to give it a depth, a height. So it's doing this thing, as you can see. So here I want to say this is going to be 1 inch here. Well, I'm just doing this all turned around, as you can see. And I'm going to go okay. And there's my topping. That's the floor topping. And then I'm going to go okay. And I want to apply this here. And go okay. So now I'm going to just draw this in here, but I did this wrong. Go here to there for our court, and then click finish. Anybody can guess what I did wrong, you know. But I did something very wrong there. But I just wanted to show you that that's how you do a flooring. So that was our basketball court flooring. And then here, I mean, you guys pretty much know how to do that. You can do tile in here, say, that's that one, 4-inch court. Okay. Then here, you can do it again. We can modify and edit this, because see, that's not there really fixed. So I can take this guy and I can edit boundary. So that's how you do floors. I just want to do the basketball floor, but here I don't think I need to do any more of this. You can do this. You can do the tile in here. So basically, whatever you want. Maybe carpet in this room. I don't know. Might look pretty good. But anyway, just wanted to show you this quick video of how to do floors. Next video, we're going to look at stairs, because it's going to be precast building. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thanks again, and everybody be safe. Bye.